Alright my friends, first of all thanks to Hightower from Germany, he's a fellow subscriber. This is blade number 4 he sent me. This is the Walther B&K6, which means better no condom for sex. It's a really tiny fucker. You can see it, this is really tiny. Okay, Walther versus water bottle. Wow! This is a nice cut. Yeah, look at this. The blood is spilling all over the place. Nice cut. Wow! The cuts are cool. Clean cut here. Blood everywhere. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, wow! Wow! It's steel 440C. Comes with this fancy leather sheath, which is not too bad. It holds the blade. Okay, can we kill a tree with this tiny mother? We shall see. No, it's not a chopper. Get to the chopper! Because I just saw this is a live tree, so I won't use this one anymore. It has weight on the blade. Can chop a little bit. Maybe with this. Yeah. There's a little bit help, it's possible. Yeah. Check it out. Yes. Oh shit. Come on. Check out this rotten stuff inside here. That's the coronavirus inside here. It will eat your dick if this comes out. Dick eating disease. New disease. From China. From the lab. Yeah, it's a tiny little motherfucker, that's for sure. It is heavy. I mean, you can chop. It's heavy at the handle, but you have no power at the blade. So this is useless. Yeah, we stop the shit right here. Now there's damage on a tree, on the live tree, but don't worry. Yeah, trees here have healing powers. They will heal themselves and then they look like this, pretty healed. Check it out, everything is coming back to life here because those are zombie trees. Alright, after the tree of course no damage. Now can I baton with this little mother here. Cool, very cool. Another one. Okay, knife is out. Batoning is so much fun, really, so funny. Maybe I'm gonna get a real bushcraft after all. That's in there. Adios, Walther. Oh shit. Oh shit, Frau Schmidt. Shit, I broke the blade. Too fucking early. Fuck Hightower, I'm so sorry. Hey. Fuck shit, I'm an idiot. Ay. Really unexpected. Didn't expect this shit. I mean, it was hard abuse. I worked it a little hard, yes, but it broke here. So this is a no-go in my opinion. The first knife which broke like this, but of course, yes, I hammered it in, I worked it, but it shouldn't break, I think, like this. Leather condom, maybe it has holes inside, I don't know. Look at this stock. I mean, it's 440C, it's cheap steel, stainless steel, but it cannot break like this. I mean, this is... I have to check the footage again. This was the first or second strike and it went adios, so... Retail price is I think 40 euro, you can get it for 25 euro. But man, that's weird. I will test the handle scales, how these hold up. Alright. Here's the blade inside. Here's the blade inside. I will try to get it out. This is sick like a mofo. And the spine is thinner. The edge. Alright. Now the handle of the Walther. Adios. Yep. Used me as a crack. It's cracked already. Looks like this. That's full tang. Okay. That's it for the handle scales. Not too sturdy. They get fucked pretty easy, which is not good. Alright. Oh. And here is something on the... It's not as thick as I thought. This is some liners here. You have liners here. This is why it looks so thick. Okay, one more time, amigo. Shit. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see it clearly. One more. Yeah. Another blade break. Another blade break. This is so weird, this blade. Hammer it in a bit. Okay, that's it. That's now it, amigos. These liners are very thin. They are thin liners on the stock of the blade. This is why it seems like so thick. But it's not. It's the same size here, but it just, this is printed onto the blade. This is why it's so thick. And inside, yeah, it breaks quite easy. It's not as tough as I thought. It's kind of full tang, more like shit tang. But check this out. This is pretty weird. And here, some liners of this. The stock is very thick, but it breaks like shit. This blade broke off as well. Yeah. And the handle scales are really shit. One hit and adios, broke. This is really cheap. Also G10 in my Kata. Also some walnuts from Beavercraft. They are much sturdier than this one. So it looks really indestructible, but it's like, it's a gimmick blade in my opinion. Don't waste your money on this blade. This is really weird. This liners onto the stock. I never saw this before, but it's a first. But okay, Hightower, at least I had fun. Thanks again to Germanian. And check it out, now your blade is done. Now the fucking sun is coming. Can you believe this? Can you believe this shit? And now it's in heaven. Can you see the heaven? The Walther is flying right there. Wait, Walther, fly to heaven. Okay, my friends, adios.